Today we will see how to get the file name. Suppose when you are um, creating any form and you are uh, taking the input of a file name of a file through a HTML form. So now you want to get the file name so that you can do some operations using that file name. So let's see how to do that. For that, first of all, we have to create a form. Inside this form, we will need one input that will take the file as input. ID will be file. Also name will be file. Now we will take a button so that if we click that button, we will get the file name. So value will be get the file name, get file name. On click button. On click will what we'll do here, we will declare a function. When we will click on that button, so this function will be triggered. That's why one click. Now let's write our JavaScript code. We'll define the function. We will declare a variable called file. Dot value in order to get the value. Now let's see what we get through this file variable. Let's see. So you can see the entire string, the path of the file of this file. So we will split this entire string using this slash. That's why what we'll do, dot split by slash. Now let's see what the output is. So you can see there are three elements, 1, 2 and 3. We need these element, last elements. That's why we will get this element. Dot add -1. Why -1? Because we will get the first element from reverse order. Now let's see. Yes, you can see the file name. That's it. Thank you.